Friends, it's numbers time. Will you stand, please? And we're going to count by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's clap, Pat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Stay standing. We're going to count by fives around the room. Remember, you face me, to the side, the back, the side, and me. And we're going to keep going around. Begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Have a seat, friends. Wow, that was so much fun. Let's review a little bit of our addition combinations. 0 plus 3 equals 3. When you add 0 to any number, it
stays the same number.
0 plus 1 equals 1. Lincoln.
9 plus 0 equals 1. 9.
9, you're right. Michaela.
10 plus 0 equals 10.
Good. Friends watching? Correct. 0 plus 7 equals 7. When we add 0 to any number, it stays the same number. When you add 1 to any number, it goes to the next number. Holly.
6 plus
Start over.
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Good. Mason.
7 plus 1 equals 8.
Kylie.
2 plus 0 equals 2.
Micah.
3 plus 0 equals 3.
Girls. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Boys. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Friends watching. Wonderful. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Michaela.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Good. If you are wearing socks today.
1 plus 0 equals 1.
If you're not wearing socks.
4 plus 0 equals 4.
Good. If you brought your smile today.
9
0 plus.
9 equals 9.
Good. If you are a boy.
7 plus 0 equals 7.
Good. Friends watching. Fantastic. You knew that 8 plus 0 equals 8. Way to go. This is for you, Kylie.
0 plus 5 equals 5.
Holly.
3 plus 1 equals 4.
Michaela.
9 plus 1 equals 10.
Good. Lincoln.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
You got it. And this is for you, Micah.
2 plus 4 equals 2. 6.
You're right. It equals 6. So say it again.
2 plus 4 equals 6.
I love your hard work. Well, let's go on a little bit of a trip. And on this trip that we're going to take, we are going to see a lot of vehicles. In fact, look here. There are many. Now, Mrs. Turner could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But that's not the way we're going to count them. We're going to see which vehicle is first and which vehicle is last. What color is the last vehicle, Michaela?
Yellow.
Yellow. What type of vehicle is the 7th vehicle, Mason?
The police car.
The police car. What is the 9th vehicle, Lincoln?
That truck.
It is a truck, you're right. And what color is the 6th vehicle, friends watching? Orange. Let's count. We'll start with first and we'll go all the way to 10th. Begin. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. You did wonderful with that. Let's do it again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Who thinks they could do it all on their own? Oh, Holly, stand. Let's try it.
first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
Give her a round of applause. Thank you. That was terrific. Now we're going to come back over this way in just a minute, but we've got a little bit more work to do. In fact, I am going to show you a number, and I want you to tell Mrs. Turner the number that comes before. You're going to tell me the number that comes before. This is 92. What comes before 92, Lincoln?
91.
You did it. Way to go. 93, friends watching. What comes before? Good. 92. Holly?
95.
Good. Michaela?
35.
Mason?
38.
Well, this is 38, but what number comes before 38?
37.
You know, oh, friends in our classroom and friends watching, we have been working so diligently today, and sometimes when you do a lot of work, you kind of get a little bit hungry for a snack. Maybe I might have to take a break and have a little bit of a snack in just a minute, but let's go over these for a second. But oh, I think I might need a snack. What comes before, Micah?
43.
Good. Everyone?
40.
40. That was Michaela. What comes before 52?
51.
51. Good. Friends watching. 55.
54.
Good. These girls, wow, if it were a contest between the boys and girls in our classroom, the girls would be winning today. I say 62. You say?
61.
That was good, Micah. He got that. 62.
61.
I say 67. You say?
66.
Oh, good, Kylie. I say 69. You say?
68.
It is 68. What comes before 70, Holly?
69.
It is 69. Mason, what comes before 73?
72.
Oh, all this work is making me hungry for a snack. Do you like snacks, friends watching? I think I might have to take a break in just a minute and have a snack. Lincoln, what comes before?
74.
75. Friends watching? Good, it is 80. Kylie? It is 84. Friends watching? Good. It is 88. I have to tell you, I am so proud of you. Now, okay, sometimes I really like to enjoy cookie sandwiches. Now, I have a cookie sandwich right here, and I'm going to take my cookie sandwich. Let me tell you a little bit about it. On the top, there is a cookie part. And on the bottom, there's a cookie part. But oh, when you open it up in the middle, between the two cookies, there's yummy, delicious, fantastic cream between. This is so yummy. Do you like having yummy cookie sandwiches? Well, I think we're gonna do something special. Now I'm gonna take my cookie sandwich and I'm gonna put it to the side, but I would like for my girls to come. Get one cookie sandwich and go put it on your desk. Boys, come. Get one cookie sandwich and go put it on your desk. Now, let's look at our cookie sandwich. Put it in your hand. What is on, now make it look just like this. What do you find on the top?
A cookie.
A cookie. And what do you find on the bottom?
A cookie.
But what do you see in the middle?
Cream.
Cream. I want you to open your cookie and I want you to take a bite of that cream. Go ahead. Isn't it good? It's yummy. Mrs. Turner's going to give you a second for you to go ahead and enjoy that cookie sandwich. Go ahead, and while I'm talking about my cookie sandwich, Mrs. Turner wants you to listen. This cookie sandwich reminds Mrs. Turner a lot about between numbers. You see, we have numbers that come first and numbers that come after, but there are numbers that can come between. Kind of like our cookie sandwich. There's a top cookie and a bottom cookie and that yummy cream in the middle. We've got a cookie on each side and that yummy cream in the middle. I want you to look right this way up here to our numbers chart. On our numbers chart, I want you to look at the number 7 and the number 9. 7 and 9. When I think of between numbers, kind of think of your cookie sandwich. You've got a cracker or a cookie part on this side and a cookie on this side, but you've got that yummy cream in the middle. Now, to find the number that comes between, you could do one of two things. You can say, what number comes after 7 and what number comes before 9? That's the easiest way to figure out the number that comes between. So let's look at another one. Mrs. Turner, right here, I have the number 1 and I have the number 3. I need that yummy, creamy between number. What do you think that yummy, creamy between number would be? It would come after 1 and it would come before the number 3. What do you think it would be?
2.
I think it would be 2. Now I need some help. I am going to need some friends to come to the board and you're going to help me. So if you're a boy, listen, if you're a boy, I have numbers here. So Mason, you're going to do this one. And Lincoln, you'll do this one. And Michael, you'll do this one. You're going to take one of these numbers that are on the side and you write that yummy between number because, oh, it is delicious. And girls, why don't you come on over here? You pick one of these to do. Write the number that comes between. You know, we had that delicious cookie sandwich. It had a cookie on the top and a cookie on the bottom, but all that cream in the middle was delicious. Now, I have the same numbers here that I have here. So let's have a contest between the girls and the boys who will get them right. Let's check. Nope, let's check the boys first. Are you ready, boys?
Yep.
Okay, come over here. Okay, it's fine. Come over here. We'll check. Come all the way over here, gentlemen. All the way. Our friends watching need to see. So let's go to this one. Tell me your numbers.
3, 8, 5.
Okay, you have 3, 8, 5. What number comes after 3, Mason?
4.
4. And what number comes before 5?
4.
It is 4. So take the 8 out and put 4 there. So it would be 3, 4, 5. Lincoln, why don't you go ahead and finish yours? Okay, come over here. Lincoln, for your cookie, let's see. Let's pretend it's a cookie. What was your first cracker?
7.
Your first part of that cookie sandwich was 7. What was the second part of your cookie sandwich?
9.
And what was the yummy cream in the middle?
8.
8. So that's 1 correct for the boys. Micah, what was your first cookie part of your sandwich?
4.
And what was the other part of the cookie?
6.
And what was that yummy, creamy middle?
5.
It's 5. So the boys have 2 points. Let's see how many points the girls are going to have. If this is yours, tell me what it is. You did the 8 by accident? Were you looking at the boys? Yeah, see, that's why we have to let God help our own brain know what to do. So let's talk through it. What comes after 3? 4. And what comes before 5?
4.
So go ahead and fix it and put 4 there. If this is yours, tell me what you did. What numbers did you have for your cookie sandwich?
4, 5, 6.
You did have 4, 5, 6. That's fine. And what's your yummy cream? What's your yummy creamy middle?
5.
It is the number 5. You're right. Okay, is this yours, Kylie? This is the one Mrs. Turner wanted to do. Come over here. What is your number?
7 and 9.
7 and 9. That's a yummy cookie sandwich. But what is the yummy cream between?
8.
It is the number 8. You got that. Fantastic. And if you look over here, Holly was able to put the 4 there. Kylie, go to your seat. So it looks like the boys had 2 points and the girls had 2 points. So they had a tie. Now, whenever Mrs. Turner thinks of a between number, it does remind me of the cookie sandwich. It would be the yummy cookie on one side and the yummy cookie on the other side, but oh, that creamy, delicious middle. Wasn't it fun in our lesson today to be able to have a cookie sandwich, to be able to get the yummy cream from between those 2 cookie sandwich crackers? Yes, that was yummy. Let's look up here on the board. I'm going to give you 2 numbers, and I wonder who will be the first friend to tell me the number that comes between. Are you ready? Listen to your numbers. 5, 1 cookie. 7, 1 cookie.
6.
Michaela got it at 6. So now the girls have 3 points and the boys have 2 points. What about first cookie part of our cookie sandwich is going to be 8. The next part of our cookie sandwich is going to be 10.
9.
The yummy cream is 9. Micah got that. So it is 3-3. And you know what? It looks like we have a tie today. Go woo-hoo! Oh, friends, in our lesson today, we were able to count by 10s and count by 5s. We did addition combinations. We were able to count first all the way through 10th, and that was fun. But oh, I think the most enjoyable part of our lesson was that yummy cookie sandwich where we got to have that between part, the cream, and it was delicious. I'm glad you got to do that with us.